So here is how you can make a separate folder in Outlook on your devices. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So obviously I'm using the iPhone for this purpose, but even if you have devices like other iPhones or Androids in here, it basically works exactly the same. So you get inside your Outlook like this, and you essentially want to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to make more options appear from the side like this. And you can see plenty of different folders and stuff, but if you click on the pencil icon next to your folders, you will have the ability to manage them, right? So you can see I have the option to reorganize my folder, right? And even create a separate one. So you can see that I can tap on this little button right there, which is for creation of new folders. And when I tap on it, it gives me the ability to give it a name, right? So I'm going to literally name it a folder, right? Whatever it might be, you can create one like this, and it is now part of your inbox in there. So you can see that I can, for example, find one of the promotional emails or whatever I have available in here, right? And I can click on this and move it to some other place. So I can tap on the folder icon at the bottom and click on the folder one, which I literally just created, and it moves it right there. So that's how I can separate my emails. And in this one, I only have one email, this one, which I just chose. So that's how you can separate it and can like organize it according to your needs and have better, organization in your emails. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Let me know if you found this video helpful by hitting the thumbs up, and I will hopefully see you in the future uploads as well.